Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make miso soboro don. It's meal for one series. And today, I'm making rice bowl with pork crumbles seasoned with miso and fried egg. Very easy, quick, and nutritious dish. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this miso soboro don, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make one serving. 1 portion rice pack, 100 grams of ground pork, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon each of sugar, miso, sake, and mirin, half a teaspoon each of garlic paste and doubanjan, hot bean paste, and something green to garnish. Let's make the pork crumbles first. So ground pork in a bowl that you can microwave. And all these seasonings also into the bowl. Sake, mirin, sugar, miso, garlic paste, and doubanjan, the hot bean paste. Give it a good mix. Cover it and microwave. Let's do 2 minutes at 600 watts. Give it a good mix. Cover it and another 2 minutes at 600 watts. Mix it well, this time using clean spoon, because this one I used before is contaminated with raw pork. And miso pork crumble is ready. Now, let's make the fried egg. Half a tablespoon of vegetable oil in the frying pan over medium heat. Crack the egg. And just cook it to your favorite consistency. I like to keep the egg yolk runny. In the meantime, let's heat up the rice pack. 1 minute at 800 watts. The egg is cooked to my favorite consistency, so let's take it off the heat. Make sure to heat up the rice pack to steaming hot, otherwise it won't regain the softness and stickiness. Let's serve on the plate. Fluff it. Miso pork crumble. Fried egg. Something green for better presentation. What I'm using today is daikon sprout, but you can use anything you like, green onion, chive, or parsley. And miso soboro don is ready to go. Super easy. Time for the tasting. いただきます。The combination of salty sweet and spicy pork crumble, creamy egg, and plain rice is just so perfect and it's delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. It's meal for one series today, and you don't want to spend too much time cooking just for yourself. So let's keep the whole meal nice and simple. Miso buta soborodon goes here, and you also cover the main. Let's have instant miso soup here. How about very easy onion salad for one of the side dishes, and let's forget about the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!